Hello guys, this is Anisa and welcome to AZ Electrical YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to study about the type of testing that we'll conduct in switchyards and power plant. So over here, we'll study all the type of test in power plant, and after that, we'll try to cover all the testing one by one. So be with me and let's we learn together. If you don't have subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Cover the transformer testing. So the few of main test is winding resistance test, ratio test, vector group test, polarity test, open circuit test, short circuit test, insulation resistance test, dielectric either dielectric or insulation test, impulse test, uh, temperature rise test, testing on tap change, on load, off load, vacuum testing on tank, radiation, magnetic balance test, magnetizing current test, SFRA test, DGA test, 10 delta test, boosting test. So these are the tests that we need to conduct on transformer. We'll see one by one in next video. Over here, we can see the type of test that we need to perform on CV, that is the circuit breaker. So first one is CRM. This is the CRM, contact resistance measurement test. This type of test generally performed any two contact, that is in CV and isolator. So first one is fixed contact and another one is moving contact. So we'll apply the current, that is 100 ampere and 200 ampere. We'll measure the voltage, and on the base of voltage and current we'll measure the resistance. It should be in micro ohm. Second number, we can see DCRM. DCRM, it means dynamic contact resistance measurement. So this test can be performed during the opening time and closing time of the breaker. Time and travel. Number third, time and travel. We need to observe the closing time and opening time. If it will make some delay, it means there is some problem in mechanical operation, that is a motor, diode, and any of the mechanical problem that we need to observe, see how it's work. We need to verify the spring, we need to verify the emergency button, all the mechanically that we need to see. Number third is insulation resistance. Insulation resistance will find the total resistance between any points two points separated by electrical insulation. Number fourth is Number fifth is 10 delta and capacitance test. This test is generally performed on all the electrical equipment to find the loss angle. This is the vibration. So also we have to observe the vibration, gas leakage, and dew point. So what is dew point? Dew point, it means higher the dew point means there will be more moisture in the air. So these are the tests that we need to perform on circuit breaker in switchyards. This is current transformer, and this is the basic test that we need to perform in switchyards. So let us see. This is the ratio test. So first we need to test the ratio test, that may be a current transformer and potential transformer. Knee point. Second one is the knee point test. Knee point test, it means applied voltage increased by 10%, then the magnetic current increased by 50%. Third one is insulation resistance test. So we'll measure the insulation any 2 points. There's the winding resistance. So the same thing that we need to find the resistance of the winding. And the fourth one is the 10 delta. It shows the loss angle. This is the polarity. This is the HV partial discharge. This is the main most important test, PD test, and last one is the CT burden test. Over here we can see the surge arrestor test. This is the leakage current measurement, 10 delta, and insulation resistance test. Next one is potential transformer testing. So in this test we need to perform ratio test, as we already said, insulation resistance, winding resistance, 10 delta, loss angle, polarity, HV PT partial discharge, and PT burden test. Next one is isolator test. So over here there is a contact, it means CRM, insulation resistance test, contact resistance test, and mechanical operation, properly closing and opening of all the thing. This is the panel testing, that is CT testing, fitting testing, bus bar testing, breaker testing, cable testing, protection relay testing, mechanical testing, VCV testing, and next one is motor and generator testing. That same, that is the motor insulation resistance, 10 delta test, winding test, current signature analysis, vibration, and ultrasound analysis. Next one is the cable. In the cable, one of the most important test, that is the partial discharge test. Other one is IR test, 10 delta test, VLF hypot test, ACDC hypot test, and fault location detection.